We're vibe coding full stack applications faster than ever before. However, hosting them feels like we're still stuck in 2010. And today I'm going to show you an application that fixes that. We are talking about GreenGeeks.com. And as always, I will have a link in the description below for you. So let's just log in. You have the ability to manage multiple websites. You can see I have one set up, and we're going to go into the dashboard for that specific website. And when you're here, you have access to your main dashboard. You can see the standard things on your website dashboard. You have access to setting up quick access to different emails. We can one click and install WordPress. And I know what you're thinking, one click install WordPress isn't that interesting, but there is WordPress plus AI. So the GreenGeeks AI powered WordPress is where things get really interesting. It has this whole built-in system where you can type in a prompt like I did, enhance the prompt. You can read through exactly what it enhanced. And now we can actually hit next, and GreenGeeks is going to use WordPress as the backend. It's going to make it really easy for you to host your website, and it's going to be tailored to your needs. Maybe you're a small business owner, a freelancer, someone doing something creative. You want to show off your portfolio, a startup, a nonprofit, someone not technical. The list goes on and on. You can quickly set up a website on WordPress tailored to your needs. And GreenGeeks will work in the background. It's going to set it all up. And just from our one prompt where I said, hey, can you make a photography-based website to show off my photos? You can see here it enhanced the prompt, and we have an entire template that's set up for us now. So we have like a baseline that we can actually start using. And it's really cool because they actually added like service, bookings, portfolio, the whole gallery. And on the left, if you notice, we have like different templates that we can quickly change to. So we can say, okay, which one do we really like? Do we want to use? And we can load more. It explores the different designs, and now we can actually ask AI to make adjustments. So like change the name to Franklin Photography and rebrand it all. I want a red and white theme. So you're going to see here on the left side, we can actually ask the AI, but what's really cool is we can also click anything, and it's going to select the certain content that we click, and it's going to take that content. We can make modifications to anything specific that we want. And what's really cool is it even says, hey, do you want to confirm this change before we do it? So you're always in power. The human is in the loop. And in just that one sentence, you can see here we have an updated title, and the colors have been updated as well. So it's pretty fast to be able to make adjustments. You no longer have to be a developer to modify your WordPress website the way you want. And if you notice, the entire process is really simple, quick, and easy. I was able to host the entire WordPress website really fast, and now I'm modifying it the way I like. So you can see here, we can select this whole content block, type in a prompt like, hey, change this to Franklin instead of Emily, and have 80 years of experience, and it's going to go through and it's going to do all the adjustments to this single block. So we're going to use AI in a smart manner because I can still go back, again, human in the loop, make all the changes I want to my website. So I am always in charge. And you're going to see here, it's working on it, and it's going to update. It's going to say, hey, do we want to do this? And if we like it, you can see here, we can actually say, okay, we like this. We can also say, hey, can you try that again? I don't like what you did. Just redo it. And you're going to see here, it's going to read our message again, and it's going to readjust all this text and the name. It's going to redo it all from the ground up. And if we like it, we can hit save. So we have access to this agent on the left where you can make changes to the theme, to the design, to any block of text, to the entire WordPress layout, structure, content. It is the ultimate WordPress accelerator. So if you want to focus on your product, on your end goal for your WordPress website, instead of like the boilerplate template, GreenGeeks AI WordPress is really cool. And Franklin, you might ask, hey, do they do more than WordPress? Of course they do. But before I talk about all the other things they do other than WordPress, I want to talk about energy usage. So listen, we're in the world of rapid development right now. You can go to any AI model, rapidly prototype and develop literally anything, and then start publishing it out. But you've probably heard that data centers are consuming tons of energy. You need enterprise grade performance, but it shouldn't cost the world in the process of maintaining and hosting your website. The name GreenGeeks really means that they are a web hosting company committed to sustainability. And what they offer, which is really cool, which is one of the reasons why I love GreenGeeks, and I'm showing you this website, is they offer 300% renewable energy match. So whatever your website consumes, they literally put 3 times more back into the environment. They work with this nonprofit here, Bonneville Environmental Foundation, and every single account that you have provisioned, they will literally plant a tree. So by clicking the link down below, going to GreenGeeks and creating an account, you're actually just planting a tree. Now, it is more than just the WordPress. We're on the WordPress aspect of the dashboard. You can see here the version. We can go to manage. We can update the admin password from here, disable, delete plugins, all that sort of fun stuff. But where it gets really cool is on the left side here, we can actually go to site, and then we can go to app installer, and you're going to see here that we can actually install other applications really quickly. And there is a long list of different applications that you can one-click install. So whether you want to do like Moodle or PHP BB or any of those, you can do it. If you're more of an advanced user, you have access to FTP accounts. There's, of course, like MySQL databases and different database options. There is SSH, and you can set up and configure emails. If this is too simple for you, there is also access to cPanel. I see GreenGeeks as a really cool web hosting platform where you can like one-click install WordPress with a really cool AI built on top. But then even if you use GreenGeeks for any of your other projects, you're literally going to help the environment. So I think it's like a win-win, and it's pretty cool.
I forgot. There is one more thing I forgot to tell you about. This is really important.
When you're on the cPanel, which is again under the advanced settings, if you scroll down, there's something called WordPress Manager by GreenGeeks. And when you're on here, there's an entire WordPress manager where you can like keep your WordPress up to date. You can scan for different installations that you have. You can even manage sets of add-ons that you have for your WordPress. So as your WordPress updates, you can actually reinstall all the plugins all in one go. There's different security measures you can apply. So just in one click, we can apply all these different security measures to our WordPress that we have. There's also featured plugins. Again, we can quickly install all these featured plugins, but where it gets really cool is on the left side, as I was saying, the quick installs. So we can go to blogs, for example, and you can see there are 4 different versions that we can do. So it doesn't have to be a WordPress website. We can do different portals, and look at the list. It is incredible. We can go to forms. And again, if you want to have like a form, look at all the different forms you can do, image galleries, the list goes on and on. So if you want to have your own wiki, you can one-click install, or a social networking. You can see what I'm saying. There is a massive number of things you can install in one go. And maybe if you don't like any of those and you want to make your own, at the very top, there's something called Code with AI. So you can see here, we're going to set up a project. We can put in our path. We can choose a WordPress installation if we want, and we can actually hit create project. And now we have the ability to talk to the AI to code with us. So create a landing page for a photography website. And if you notice at the top, we have access to different large language models. So Lambda 3, Code Lambda, the list goes on. You can see what you have access to. We have the ability to like build or plan. So if we want to plan out what we're going to do beforehand, we can do that as well. Or we can just have the AI go to work and just start building for us. And if you're not happy with the model selection that's up there, there's also settings where you can like connect different providers. So you have access to Anthropic, Google, OpenAI, and all the best and biggest large language models that are out there. You want to see your files? Well, click files and you can access all of them all in one place. So you literally have the power to plant a tree right now for doing something you're going to do anyway, and let's host the website. And you don't have to spend any time configuring your WordPress website, your database. It's all taken care of for you. So click the link down below and you can actually advertise that your website is 300% green, and you can become a superhero for the planet. I know this one is a little different. I thought it was important to cover just purely because of the whole green aspect and sustainability with AI. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for the latest and greatest AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.